Hi, I'm Heidi Cundon from Happiness is Homemade, and in today's class, I'm going to show you how to create long cuts of vinyl with your Cricut Maker 3, and then make an oversized welcome sign for your front porch. If you have a Cricut Explorer 3, this project is also for you. The Maker 3 and the Explorer 3 are currently the only two Cricut machines that are compatible with the 13-inch wide smart materials to create long cuts up to 12 feet long. Smart materials are available in smart vinyl, smart iron-on, and smart paper, all of which can be cut without a cutting mat. Simply load the material into your machine and go. Not only does the Maker 3 cut smart materials matless, it also cuts them twice as fast as previous machines. Let's get going. For this project, you'll need a Maker 3 or Explorer 3 cutting machine, a wood sign base, this one here is available at Michael's, a roll of permanent smart vinyl that's longer than your sign base, a roll of transfer tape, scissors, a weeding tool, a scraper, and a roll of masking tape. To begin, open up a new project in Cricut Design Space. I want to see exactly how my design is going to look on the sign, so I'm going to create a background shape here that's the same size as my sign. Click on the Shape tool and add a square. Click on the lock icon to unlock the aspect ratio. Set the dimensions to fit your sign. Mine is 10 inches by 48 inches. Use the zoom controls in the lower left corner to zoom out. 25% is currently the most that you're able to zoom out, and you'll see that gets almost all of the 48-inch sign on the screen at one time. Use the text icon to add a text box, and then type welcome in all caps, W-E-L-C-O-M-E, with one letter on each line. Go to the alignment and center the text. Choose the font you'd like to use from the drop-down menu. I'm going to be using Chip Decor. If your lines look a little too close together or too far apart, use the line space menu to adjust them as desired. Use the size controls to size the text for your sign. I'm going to make mine 40 inches long. Now, I want to add some personalized flair to my welcome sign, so I'm going to add a decorative border to the top and the bottom, and I'm going to replace the O in welcome with a sunflower. Select the text and delete the O. Then, click on the image icon and search for Sunflower Free. Select the free sunflower design, insert it into the canvas, and then resize it to fit the space. To add the border, insert an image and search for Leaf Wreath, then insert this design. I want my design to be all one color and all one long cut, so I'm going to change the color of this layer to black as well. I want to use half of this image at the top of my sign and half at the bottom. So there's a couple of different techniques that I could use to divide this image up. I could use the slice tool, but I think that the easiest method for this one is the contour tool. The contour tool allows you to remove portions of an image that you don't want to use in your canvas. So we'll go in here and select on the bottom half of the design to remove it, and just click back on the canvas when you're done. I'm going to make this one 9 inches wide, and then I'm going to right-click and duplicate it. Hold down the Shift key and then rotate the image 180 degrees. Place both of the borders onto your sign. Select all 5 layers of the design and use the Align tool to center everything horizontally. Use the eye icon on the Layers panel to hide the sign background layer. Then, select the remaining 4 layers and click Attach. This tells the Maker 3 to cut all of the layers in the same arrangement that they appear on the canvas. Click the green Make It button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. We're using smart vinyl, so select Without a Mat, and then choose Smart Vinyl Permanent from the Materials Selection menu. When doing long cuts of vinyl, the Cricut roll holder is especially useful for keeping everything in place. To attach the roll holder to the Maker 3, line up the groove in the back with the raised lip on the machine bed. Set the roll of vinyl into the holder and feed the end through. To load the vinyl into the Maker 3, press the Load Unload button. When cutting with smart vinyl, your Maker 3 will measure out the materials before cutting by running it through the machine. This straightens out your vinyl and ensures that you have enough loaded for everything to cut properly. When the smart vinyl is loaded, press the Go button to begin the cut. You can see just how quickly the Maker 3 is cutting the smart vinyl. This here is up to 2 times faster than the fast mode on previous machines. Smart vinyl is available in lots of different colors and finishes, and there's options for 3-foot, 12-foot, 21-foot, and even 75-foot long rolls. Smart vinyl is also available in both permanent and removable adhesives, so there are a ton of new project possibilities now. Use the trimmer on the roll holder to trim the smart vinyl and then press the unload button. Weed the vinyl to remove all of the excess vinyl from the negative space. Peel a section of the transfer tape off of the backing and apply it to the top of the vinyl design. Use the scraper to gently burnish over the top as you continue to peel back and apply the transfer tape. Use the scraper to make sure that the transfer tape is securely adhered to the vinyl. Place the vinyl design on top of the sign and position everything the way that you want it. I'm going to be using the hinge method of application, which is perfect for keeping longer cuts of vinyl in place and making sure that they're applied correctly. To create the hinge, use a piece of masking tape near the center of the vinyl to hold everything in place. This method works best if you place the hinge between elements of your design, so I'm going to put it here in between the C and the sunflower. Carefully fold back the transfer tape on one side of the hinge. Use scissors to cut away the backing. Carefully fold the transfer tape back down on top of the board and use the scraper to gently burnish the design. Remove the masking tape and repeat the process on the opposite side of the sign. Burnish the top one more time to make sure that the vinyl is securely adhered to the wood. Carefully peel off the transfer tape to reveal your finished sign. Super cute! Making long cuts and oversized projects is super easy with the Cricut Maker 3, and there are so many incredible projects you can create using the same technique. I can't wait to see what you make next. Happy crafting!